Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. My name is Blessing and I'll be guiding you on how to make shawarma. Here are the ingredients to make shawarma. You get your 2 pita bread, 2 chicken laps and 2 chicken franks. For the chicken marinade, these are what you will need to season the chicken, which form part of the shawarma filling. You need a small piece of red onion, 2 cloves of garlic, 1 teaspoon thyme, 1 teaspoon of cumin, 1 teaspoon of parsley, half teaspoon ground cayenne pepper, half teaspoon black pepper, and half teaspoon of salt, 2 Knorr cubes, the chicken flavor. For the shawarma sauce, for you to get that creamy shawarma sauce that makes every bite memorable, you will need number 1, your mayonnaise, sweet chili sauce, your ketchup, salad cream, and also your parsley. And for the shawarma vegetables, the following also can go into the shawarma wrap: a small piece of cabbage, half red pepper, half green pepper, 1 carrot, and half tomato.